Hello guys, I'm Mona Prince and the Maraka trailer is out just 2 days before the movie. And who better to watch it with than a Malayali himself, Manoj Matthews. You know him from the live streams.
For a
Say
second, I
something
thought
in
you
Malayali.
forgot.
Prove it that
For
you are a Malayali.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം.
See guys?
For a second, I thought you forgot to introduce me. You're like, and the Mark Ultra, let's go.
No, I don't do that. But guys, without any delay, let's watch this trailer. It has English subtitles, but they have like called those subtitles Malayalam. I was confused, and there's a Hindi trailer also. We'll check it out later. Pretty excited for the film.
Yeah. It's probably
Like-
I think it's the
like,
most
you know,
expensive film, right, in Malayalam.
Theater, not theater, OTT, and all that drama. Like I'm more hyped up now. I have forgotten that it got a national award. No one's talking about
like
that.
so long back ago. Like it's like
Yeah.
5 years back. It got a national award.
Hopefully, dude, with the new Corona scare, hopefully,
Yeah. Oh man.
theater watching.
Shit, I still haven't gotten back to theaters. I still didn't get that chance.
So this will be your first movie, right? After
Yeah. Most
lockdown.
probably.
Wow,
Yeah.
nice. So guys, without any delay, let's watch this trailer. And if you enjoyed this, do like, share, subscribe if you haven't, and do let us know your thoughts in the comments below. Okay, an ad.
Hey, Ashirwad Cinemas.
I have come with an army of 6,000 men.
Dude, this looks
cavalry
epic.
and artillery.
It does look like.
Stop the atrocities. Punjali Maraka forever.
I saw that Pirates of the Caribbean.
I want defense
Whoa.
at my feet. Dead or alive.
കുഞ്ഞാലി എവിടെ ഒളിച്ചിരുന്നാലും ഈ ചന്ദ്രമാസം കഴിയും മുമ്പ് ഞാൻ ഇവിടെ കൊണ്ടുവന്നു തരും.
Dude, every frame.
It looks beautiful. It's like what's your heart?
ചതിയന്മാരുടെ ശവം അടക്കേണ്ടത് പൂവും ചന്ദനം ഇട്ടല്ല പോയി തളിഞ്ഞിട്ടാണ്.
Whoa, that was a cool scene.
Cannons ready to fire!
Finally, Lalitan. Whoa, dude.
Dude, it looks really good.
This on the big screen. Whoa.
The colors look sharp but still very vibrant.
Yeah.
Okay, so
Whoa. That court scene was nice. Oh my god, so many awards. Yes. I mean, great shout out to the producer, man, like to hold on to the film.
I mean, they're like,
Written and directed by Priya Darshan. I like that music, man.
dude, the soundtrack is great.
They gave nothing away. They literally gave nothing away.
They just gave you a good vibe of what the film.
Oh, it's not over? Not over?
Hello. business. Okay, now.
Worldwide theater release.
Yeah, I
dude.
really hope for the film's benefit that nothing bad happens.
Yeah, man. Like,
In terms of, the theaters getting closed or anything like that. Because this looks epic.
yeah.
This
Like, I was not watching any. They were releasing teasers and all. Like, just before the release, a teaser and all. I don't watch anything. I'm hyped up. But
Yeah,
when they
yeah,
said
yeah.
trailer, I like, okay, I have to look at it. And they didn't give away anything.
nothing.
Literally.
It was like a sizzle reel of pitching a film. You're like, this is the vibe you'll get. This is the experience that you'll get. That's
Yeah.
what this trailer is. And usually, like one negative aspect. It's not even a negative aspect, but usually for Malayalam movies, the trailers, the teasers, they don't give anything. They don't give anything away, and sometimes it can almost make you feel unexcited for the film. You're
Yeah,
like,
yeah.
okay, that's nothing. But this didn't give anything away, but still it was really good. So
Yeah.
I'm
You know,
definitely hyped.
a lot of people are first of all, it's based on real story,
Yeah.
and also a lot of people are comparing it with Bahubali and everything. But I would say Bahubali was a fictional, a fantasy film.
True,
This
true,
looks real. All the
Yeah,
ship
yeah.
scenes, all the war scenes, all of look very rustic, very realistic.
Like-
The court scenes and the fighting and everything, and even we would say okay, I would take the movie Lucifer. Where when Mohanlal was doing action, I could know it's on a wire work. you know, he's there. They've done something and all, you know, because it
Just
feels
Prithviraj
awkward of
shooting
him.
From,
Yeah.
just Prithviraj shooting from there, from the top.
You know, it's like it feels awkward of when he's doing some action because it's not matching his weight and his body, you know.
Yeah.
But here, like when he's
he pulls off some great action.
yeah,
scenes,
dude, his
Like-
fitness level, man.
yeah, dude.
Next level. And here when he's riding the, you know, horse, when he's running, there's a one shot of him running. He looks natural, you know, it looks like him running, you know.
Yeah, true.
So
true,
they
true.
have really paid so much attention to
I
detail.
mean, you won't see like Baba, like you won't see more that slingshotting of a hose and he just like flying on the air. That's not going to happen here.
Yeah.
It's going to be much more grounded, and
Yeah.
I'm really like this feels like that period movie, that period piece, that that movie that you get sort of lost in this world. That's kind of what I'm looking forward to.
Yeah. And it has this grittiness to it. It's
the-
not
in the
gonna be like,
Tamil
you know, hero villain,
Yeah,
like
yeah.
very straightforward. It's kind of like grittiness, you know. There'll be politics also in play. They'll be going to the gray area, you know, there's traitors and everything. So pretty excited. Just before,
Very
you know, let's,
different from Priyadarshan. Like usually
Yeah.
you associate him with
when I
comedy movies.
heard people say Priyadarshan, like, whoa, really? Because I
mean,
think
even-
most Hindi audience know
Yeah.
Priyadarshan as a, you know, comedy film
No,
director.
even in Malayalam, like I think his earlier movies were it was a lot of comedy, but he's always this big kind of filmmaker,
Yeah.
goes for big epic stuff.
Yeah. But let's check out the Hindi trailer just quickly and to see how the
Yeah.
dubbing is. I don't know, man. I don't know which one version I'll get here. So, you know, I just want to.
The thing is,
Rest assured.
there was not a lot of scenes where you had characters talking.
Yeah, I
So
think,
that
there's
dub
an
would be
English
fine.
dialogue and there were like few dialogues.
It was
from
all
the-
voiceovers here and
Yeah,
there, so I don't know
yeah.
if you'll.
And
if
that's
you
a
can-
good way of cutting a trailer for
Yeah,
a
that's
film like this.
The cinematography looked really good, man. Like.
Yeah, dude. It's like, again, as I said, right? Even the last shot, right? The way it's framing, it's only half of him.
Yeah,
He's
yeah.
hearing something. So you have given an empty space for that voice to come in, you know?
It reminded that in Harry Potter they show Voldemort like that in one shot, but then he opens his eyes. I thought he was going to open his eyes now. No, it just cut to black.
We will see him open his eyes on December 2nd in theaters.
No, if he opens his eyes again, people are like, is this Drishyam 2? Like Drishyam 3 now? Like,
Yeah, that's true. That's true.
I have come with an
Oh,
army
thank
of
God.
6,000
Oh,
I
man.
thought
That was
those dialogues will also be in Hindi.
atrocities to Jolly Maracau forever. I want his face
Dude.
at my feet,
shots look
dead
really
or
bad.
alive.
कुन्याली चाहे जहां भी छुपा हो, चंद्रमास पूरा होने से पहले मैं उसे पकड़कर यहाँ लाऊंगा।
Okay. Sounds good.
कुन्याली जैसा एक महान योद्धा अपराधी कैसे बन गया ये समझ नहीं आता।
दगाबाजों का दफन फूल और चंदन के साथ नहीं, सड़ जाने के बाद करना चाहिए।
That scene of him getting down the, you know, running horse.
Yeah.
See this him running.
All the shots look so good. It has a Sanjay Leela Bhansali vibe.
Yeah. And you can see this like craftsmanship, the way the shots are designed, right? Nothing feels awkward. That moment is gonna be epic, I'm sure, in the movie.
And I like the
Alright.
slow melodious thing.
Yeah.
A rendition of
I like this somber tune, right? Suddenly, like war, action, suddenly calming. It's a 3-hour long movie, huh? So that's great. Arab Sagar ka sher. All right. I love this scene, man.
The scene is confirmed it's not Drishyam 3. Yeah.
All right. So that was in the trailer. Pretty like you don't see them talking like
Yeah.
like how it's lip
I was
synced
just
and all.
glad to watch it again so I could see the visuals again.
Yeah,
and
yeah.
get a better sense of what was happening. Like, see, I remember when Thugs of Hindustan, the trailer came out, and people were like bashing on it because it felt it felt like they were trying to copy Pirates of the Caribbean.
Yeah.
This one, it gives you that vibe, but it doesn't feel like it's copying. It just, it's Pirates of the Caribbean is just a reference in your mind of what this could be, which is what I like about this trailer. It's a totally different vibe.
Honestly, I have not seen Pirates of the Caribbean, but I have seen the game and okay. Don't judge me. I've seen the game. I've played the game like with a friend or something, and I've seen some visuals of that movie always coming on the TV. So when I saw Thugs of Hindustan's trailer, the first thing that came to my mind was Pirates of the Caribbean. But until you said Pirates of the Caribbean, I didn't even think of it.
For me, that ship battles has reminded me of Pirates, like that explosion and stuff.
Only one criticism, like nitpick, not criticism, nitpick. That one shot, right, where all
the slide's increasing.
Now YouTube has turned it off, so it doesn't matter, guys.
Yeah.
It will not count. Okay, anyway.
But we will know, right?
The ships, right, on the sea, with the fire, like all of them on fire. It's like they're all like the same thing.
Okay, the night shot, right? From the top. That's the only.
Yeah, from the top shot, they're all burning. So they are all burning at the same thing. So it's like there's no offset. Something is bursting out, or it's just burning, or something is falling off. So all of them are like
maybe the extended shot might have that.
Yeah,
it's just a 2 or 3 second shot, right?
But that was just a small nitpick I did notice in the second viewing. But anyways, dude, we'll decide after watching the movie.
True. It's 3 hours. That means it probably has a lot of VFX shots. Then.
Yeah, definitely.
3-hour movie here, so
definitely there'll be 2-3 war sequences. I think maybe starts with one in the middle and at the end maybe.
That sound effect of the horses, like coming, that was really good.
Dude, pretty excited, man. Hopefully, I get this movie near me. I'll be very sad.
Even I'm not sure.
But Bangalore, you'll get, man. Come
hopefully.
on. Yeah, you'll get it. Don't
I
worry.
need to know though.
Guys, let us know in the comments your thoughts on the trailers and how excited are you for the movie. And hopefully, nothing goes wrong and we get to see this movie in theaters.
Yeah.
And we all are safe. So again, guys, thank you for watching. If you like this, the thumbs up button, share this video, let us know your thoughts in the comments below, and do check out Manoj on social media. Let him know. Let him know you loved him, and he'll come again and again on the channel. And we are always there on our second channel, Indian Geek Society.
Yeah.
So do check that out too. And yeah, that's it. Thank you. See ya.
Bye.